what things would potentially create big left tail events or step above what the Fed's doing and really create a volatile market? Because we've been seeing volatility slowly melt downward since the December 24th period, and we don't expect that to change unless there's an exogenous event or a misstep by the Fed.
Exactly.
So what other things could happen?
Well, it's highly likely that a significant left tail event would be born outside of the U.S., most likely in China. China's probably globally it's the largest economy, the second largest economy in the world, so it has it can have the most significant impact on the U.S.
Right.
So an event that makes a lot of sense given China's situation, given their debt problem, given their need to stimulate their economy and shore up their financial system, is how would the Fed deal with a 25% devaluation of the Chinese yuan? We still import from China more than we export. And if everything from China is 25% cheaper, that's going to create deflation.
So would that be? Do you think that would be a retaliatory move for the tariffs that we've imposed on them?
Potentially, if it went south, that is something China could do. It's not a silver bullet, right? They're going to lose a lot of credibility on a national stage for a move like that. But if it's in their best interest and their best course of action, it's certainly something they could do. And then you say to the Fed, well, good luck dealing with deflation if the federal funds rate is already as low as it is. You're going to have to reverse the balance sheet. You're going to have to start buying assets. You're going to have to cut rates.
Right.
It's going to be very difficult. And when you have a global economy with 250% debt to GDP, deflation is your worst enemy. Right. You want to inflate your way out of debt.
Right. And we are more likely to experience, I think, deflation going forward than we are inflation, right? That's what the data is telling us?
Yeah, and that's, when you have this much debt, it's almost inevitable.